Welcome back, guys, to another one of my videos. Today we will be going over how good the Su-57 Sukhoi plane in Airplane Simulator Roblox is. Here's the plane right here. You make around $615 per minute. It's a one-seater, and it goes around 1,516 knots at its top speed. Alright, let's spawn it in. So this plane looks pretty good. Digital camo-ish pattern. It's got some red stars on the wings and the tail wing. 2 thrusters in the back. And it looks like it will... And this accelerates actually pretty well. It can go pretty fast. So we're just going to take off. And this plane, it's pretty wide. It has... That's what its flares look like. And then I believe its special is a missile. Yup, so if you press your special button, it will launch a missile off the bottom. This plane can handle very well. It seems pretty fast. I like this plane a lot. Like, if you need to do like cargo missions and go and do the cargo missions really fast and you just want to use this, then I would recommend it. It's not the fastest plane, but it is still pretty fast, and it would get the job done if you want to do something fast. So, yeah, it's pretty pricey. I believe it's around $1.5 million, if I'm not mistaken, because I bought this plane probably a little while ago. And, yeah, this plane it's pretty expensive, but it can maneuver really well. And it maneuvers well, as I was saying. It can go pretty fast. I wouldn't say it's the fastest, but yeah, it still moves pretty fast. It's got a wide frame, 2 engines on the back, nice pattern, nice colors, looks really cool, has a missile as its special, has some flares, a unique flare design that it shoots out as, and it's got the long point on the front of it. And yeah, I would recommend getting this plane since it's pretty well, it can handle pretty well, it can move pretty fast. As you can see, I just did a barrel roll. It's not too hard to do one, but some planes that can't handle as well, it makes it harder for them to do a barrel roll. But this plane can do barrel rolls pretty well and can turn well. Like, if you see up in the top of my screen up here, the coordinates, you can see how fast they're moving away, like the numbers. And yeah, it takes a second for it to steer. Actually, never mind, that was just a glitch. But as you can tell, this plane's pretty good, can move pretty fast. I'm going to do a top speed test, but overall I would recommend getting this plane. Moves pretty fast, handles well. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just want to put my point out there that it does handle well and it moves fast. Alright, so right now we're at about 1,000 knots. 1,050. It's slowing, the speed is slowing down a little bit, but it's still going up. It's at 1,100 right now. 1,120. I don't know how much faster this is going to get. I think I'm just going to turn around after 1,150 knots because I don't want to sit out here forever. As you guys know, I don't like just sitting here waiting to see how fast this thing can go. We know it goes fast, but we don't need to know how, like, the top speed, because it could take a little while. But yeah, it's approaching 1,150. As I said, I'm going to turn around when it gets there. So it's about to be there, and it's taken a little while for it to do that one last knot, but still pretty fast. I would definitely recommend getting this plane. It's a bit expensive if you don't have the money, but if you play enough and if you do missions like these missions here in the contracts section, if you do these missions like these missions, if you do the cargo ones, that can be really quick, or the passenger ones. I prefer doing cargo ones because these planes that I have that go really fast, they're really good for doing cargo missions. But yeah, if you play this game enough and if you get enough money, I would definitely recommend getting this plane. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you and peace.